Meaning of doxology.
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 Doxology. Doxology refers to a short hymn of praise or glory to God. It is usually sung at the end of a religious service, marking the conclusion of a prayer or sermon. As a form of worship, doxologies express gratitude and reverence toward the divine, and are often recited in unison by congregants. These hymns typically feature simple lyrics and musical accompaniment, and aim to uplift and inspire those present. Ultimately, doxologies serve as a way for individuals and communities to acknowledge and honor the power and presence of God in their lives.